White-collar offenses are typically related to business, commercial, and financial enterprises. Offenses such as fraud, embezzlement, government procurement fraud, healthcare fraud, and bribery are typically referred to as, quote, white-collar crimes because in general, white-collar professionals are targeted for investigation. They include conspiracy, embezzlement, fraud offenses, misbranding and importation of pharmaceuticals, money laundering, obstruction of justice, and perjury. There are a myriad of law enforcement agencies, including but not limited to the Federal Bureau of Investigation, or the FBI, the Department of Labor, the Small Business Administration, the Food and Drug Administration, or the FDA, and the Internal Revenue Service that conduct investigations of potential crimes. These and other agencies devote an enormous amount of money, manpower, and investigative techniques to their efforts. These techniques, such as wiretaps, long-term surveillance operations, and the use of informants and undercover officers, used to be employed almost exclusively in non-white-collar cases. Most white-collar criminal investigations, if they result in indictment, are federal in nature. A conviction for a white-collar crime can carry enormous legal, personal, and professional consequences. The potential federal prison sentences and restitution amounts are much more severe than that for similar charges in state courts. The issues related to sentencing in white-collar cases are extremely complex and require an exhaustive knowledge of the United States sentencing guidelines. If you are the target of a white-collar crime investigation, it's important to involve an experienced, aggressive attorney as early as possible in the process. An attorney can form a buffer between you and law enforcement agents who may very well be trying to get you to talk or provide a statement or documents to them. An attorney can interview witnesses, review records that may be requested by law enforcement, and take other steps both to protect your interests and to help you assess your options.